This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. Governor of Assam, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, will inaugurate a 7-day mega multimedia exhibition in Guwahati tomorrow as part of the 150th birth anniversary celebrations of Mahatma Gandhi. The exhibition will showcase the life, philosophy and ideals of Gandhiji through modern technology. It will also depict some of the objects of Mahatma Gandhi along with some rare pictures of his visit to various places in Assam. Handwritten letters of Gandhiji, rare pictures of his life and stay in South Africa, a flip book and a complete timeline of Mahatma Gandhi will also be showcased. Various performances like dance, drama, interactive sessions and discussions will be held during the exhibition. India and Japan will hold a joint military exercise in Mizoram from the 19th of this month to 2nd of November 2019. The focus of the 2-week-long exercise, Dharma Guardian, will be to increase the interoperability between the two forces and enhance coordination in dealing with various security challenges, including counter-terrorism. An official release issued in New Delhi said the Indian Army and Japanese Ground Self-Defense Forces, comprising 25 soldiers each, will participate in the exercise aimed at sharing experience gained during various counter-terrorism operations in respective countries. Exercise Dharma Guardian is an annual training event which is being conducted in India since last year. In respect of Japan, it is crucial and significant in terms of security challenges faced by both the nations in the backdrop of global terrorism. The World Heritage Site, Kaziranga National Park in Assam, reopened to visitors yesterday after the annual monsoon closure. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal ceremoniously declared Bagori and Kohora range of the park open to tourists. Speaking on the occasion, he said the state government has taken numerous steps for beautification, conservation and development of the park. Referring to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call for making India one of the most sought-after destinations of the world, he said it is a matter of great pride and prestige that Kaziranga National Park has earned its name in the 17 most iconic centers of the country. Sonowal informed that a 32 kilometers flyover will be constructed for the protection and preservation of the rich biodiversity of Kaziranga. 3 personnel of Rapid Action Battalion of Bangladesh and 2 of their informants were detained by BSF at Rahimpur, a village near Indo-Bangla International Border at Sonamora subdivision in Sipahijala district of Tripura for entering India without valid documents. They entered into Indian territory on Thursday night to apprehend the 2 Bangladeshis drug smugglers staying in the area. Bangladeshi nationals were caught and assaulted by the villagers. They were subsequently handed over to the BSF. The BSF recovered from the duo one 7.7 mm pistol with 7 rounds of cartridges and pistol holster, 2 handcuffs, identity cards, 7 mobile phones and 1.5 lakh Bangla taka. A company commander-level flag meeting held on Friday evening between border guards, Bangladesh and BSF, and all the detainees along with their belongings were handed over to the authority of the neighbouring country. Union Minister of Human Resource and Development, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, has laid the foundation stone for the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya at Mawkyrwat, southwest Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya through a live telecast video conferencing. Speaking on the occasion after the foundation stone ceremony, Mawkyrwat MLA and MIDC Chairman Remington L. Tonghar termed 2019 as the year of education for southwest Khasi Hills district. Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Most Reverend Dominic Jala, passed away in a fatal road accident at Colusa County, California, USA on Thursday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday mourned the passing away of Reverend Dominic Jala, the Archbishop of Shillong. Prime Minister tweeted that he was anguished by the passing of the Archbishop. Mr. Modi said that Reverend Dominic Jala will always be remembered for his impeccable service to the society and for his passion towards Meghalaya's progress. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma tweeted that it is a sad day for our state with the sudden demise of Archbishop Dominic Jala. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.